In this video, we will show you how to install the UPrint drivers on your Mac laptop. To begin, start by opening an internet browser window and navigating to miami.edu/UPrint. From the UPrint page, click on Download Drivers on the right-hand side. Next, select the appropriate driver based on your system type and class enrollment. This will begin the download process. Once the download is complete, double-click the file to begin the installation. Double-click the popup.pkg file, and on the pop-up, click Continue, Continue again, and then Install. Enter in your computer password and click Install Software. Once the installation is complete, click Close and move to Trash. The UPrint drivers are now installed on your Mac laptop. When sending a job to UPrint, select UPrint VW or UPrint Color from the list of printers. Then click Print. On the pop-up, enter your cane ID and password and give the print job a name. Then click Print. This will send the print job to the UPrint servers. You can then visit any UPrint printer on campus, swipe your cane card or log in with your cane ID and password to retrieve your sent jobs. UPrint drivers are now installed on your Mac laptop.